Today we're going to talk about getting to our Google Drive and what it's for. Your Google Drive is where you can save anything you want to save. You can save your Google Documents there. You can save pictures there. If you make something on Microsoft Word and you want to save it to your Google Drive, you can do it. It doesn't just have to be Google things. And then you can access it on any device. So if I get on my phone, I could have the Google Drive app on my phone, which I do. You can have it on your Chromebook. So this makes it really easy to make sure that you never forget your homework. So if you click on the Google Apps icon, go to Drive. Once you're there, you'll see your drive. And my drive has a lot of things in it. So the most recent things that you have used will be in the quick access spot of your Google Drive. If you scroll down, you'll see all these different folders. Folders can help you organize the things that you have inside of your Google Drive. So for example, I have a folder here with Jeopardy. So if I click on my folder, I've got different Jeopardy games here. Whatever you want to put in your folders is up to you. However you want to name your folders is up to you. And I can click on the drive icon to go back, or I can re-click my drive, whichever one works. They both go to the same place. There's a lot of customization options within the drive. For example, you can right-click on one of your folders, and once you do that, you have the option of renaming your folder. If you don't like what you've named it previously, you can even change the color of it. You can download it. So let's say I want whatever's in this folder back on my computer. I can click download, and I can delete things here as well. So all those options are from right-clicking. Another important thing that you can do when you right-click is share. If you click share, you can share your folder with whoever you're wanting to share it with. The only thing you need to know is their email address too. So you can type in their email here, share it. So you got homework, you want to share it with your teacher, type in your email, share it. You can also get a link which just leads directly to that folder. So this particular link is restricted. Only people I add can open it. But you can change it. You can change it to Caldwell County Schools if you want, or if you want anyone at all to be able to see it, you can click on the little arrow there, and you can change it to anyone with the link. So anybody who has that link can see what's in your folder if you're wanting to share it. You don't have to use folders. I can recommend them. If you don't use a folder, you can just have random files hanging out in your drive. That works too. It's really up to you. Other people can share with you, and to get to those, you can go to Shared with Me. You can also click the New button here, and this is how you can make a new folder. You can upload a file directly from your computer if you click on that. And you can also add a new Google Doc or any other Google features that you need.